it's known as Freedom Day. This was the day that the final slaves were freed in the state of Texas. Because you see, in 1863, Abraham Lincoln issued the Emancipation Proclamation that at the time his statement was that slavery was ended and all slaves would be freed. But that message and the authority to carry out that message did not arrive in many of the southern states for anywhere from the next 6 months to 2 years. And it was in 1865 in the state of Texas that the Union Army actually had to arrive to bring word that the slaves had been free for 2 years, but no one had told them. No one had let them know. No one had given them that information. And that's where Juneteenth got its origin. So it's been being celebrated in the African American communities for, well over 100 years. So I hope that helps you out. I look forward to talking more about this and some other things that are coming up. Thank you for viewing this. Feel free, please share, please subscribe, please like this video, hit that bell on YouTube. We'll be bringing you more content around this and more other subjects along this line. I'll talk to you soon. Check us out on plainenglishinc.org. Take care.